This video will demonstrate the use of special tool Piston Ring Compressor. The piston ring compressor is used to compress the piston rings while inserting the pistons in the cylinder during assembly. Using piston ring compressor. Before installing the piston, apply engine oil to pistons, piston rings, cylinder walls, connecting rod bearings and crank pins. Do not apply oil between connecting rod and connecting rod bearing or between bearing cap and bearing. Align the end caps of all the piston rings at the specified angle to each other. After this, align the arrow mark on the piston head to the specified direction. Refer to the service manual for information on alignment of piston rings and piston. Insert the connecting rod and piston skirt into the cylinder. Install the piston ring compressor on the piston. Ensure that piston rings do not move in their groove while installing piston ring compressor over piston. Compress the piston rings by tightening the piston ring compressor with an appropriate tool. Position the special tool properly on the cylinder block by tapping it lightly as shown. After positioning the tool, push the piston head with the help of mallet handle to insert it in the cylinder. Hold the piston ring compressor firmly against the cylinder block until piston and all the rings are inserted in the cylinder properly. Repeat the procedure to assemble the remaining pistons. Advantages and benefits. This tool helps in easy installation of piston and piston rings. This saves time to complete the job and avoids damage to piston rings and cylinder. It also helps to keep the piston rings end gap at specified position. This ensures desired performance from engine.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.